Hello and welcome to Digital-Motorsports.com. In today's video we're going to take a quick look at our GT1 plug-and-play drift race and rally rig. The GT1 is an awesome starter rig. It's completely upgradable, so you can bolt accessories onto it as and when you want to, and it's a really good all-rounder. So it includes all the accessories that you need in order to do any kind of digital motorsport, whether that's rallying, drifting, racing, karting, whatever you want. So that's enough talking from me. It's time to get this build on the go. We'll cut to a time lapse and bust out some tunes. Okay, so now we've got the whole rig built. Let's take a quick look at some of the hardware that's attached to this rig. The base is the Sim Lab GT1 Evo chassis, which is an extruded aluminium profile chassis. It's extremely rigid, it's lightweight and offers a huge amount of adjustability and the option to add accessories wherever you like. The seat is OMP's FIA approved TRS model, which is a proper motorsport seat which you can use in your competition car or your road car. You can spec whatever seat you want. There are smaller and larger versions of most seats too. We also include sliders and side mounts so you can get the perfect seating position for yourself. The pedals are the CSL Elite LC version, which in my opinion are the best value for money on the market. The pedals use a load cell, so they work based on pressure as opposed to a potentiometer, which just measures the position. So they give you a real world feel to the pedals. And if you're coming from something like the Logitech G29s or the kind of basic Thrustmaster versions, then these are going to feel fantastic. You're really going to love these. The wheelbase and the wheel are Fanatec CSL Elite. The wheelbase gives you really great force feedback, and you've got paddle shifters on the wheel too. Plenty of buttons there as well, which you can assign to whatever you like. One of the great things about this whole setup is that you're part of the Fanatec ecosystem, which means you can upgrade wheels, wheelbases, pedals and so on, and they're all compatible with each other. The shifter is the Fanatec clubsport, which can be changed from H pattern to sequential at the flick of a switch, and the hydro is the clubsport version 1.5, which has a great feel to it, and it can be mounted in a couple of different orientations as well. The monitor mount is a single screen Sim Labs unit, but you can upgrade that to a triple mount if you want. The monitor that we include in this build is a 32-inch Samsung curved gaming monitor. It's the WQHD 144Hz version, so it's got a really fast refresh rate. The PC is the Digital-Motorsports gaming PC, which will run triple screens and VR with absolute ease on all of the sim racing titles out there. We regularly update the specs of these PCs to make sure they're always the best in class. We can deliver this turnkey solution anywhere in the world, and we regularly ship solutions fully built all the way over to Australia, the US, UK, UAE, anywhere in the world. So that completes our quick tour of the plug-and-play GT1 drift race and rally rig. There's a whole host of accessories you can add to this rig to customize it to your own specifications, such as keyboard trays, mouse trays, what else? Audio kits, surround sound, VR, full motion. The list is endless. So if you have specific requirements, drop us a mail, talk to us today. The email address is info@digital-motorsports.com. That's it. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, hit subscribe for plenty more videos to come, and we will see you in the next video.
Are you itching to get racing? Whether it's circuit racing, drifting, rallying or even karting, here at Digital-Motorsports.com we run some of the best online leagues in the world. To get involved, visit our website at Digital-Motorsports.com and enroll for our next event.